Encaustic painting, an ancient technique using molten beeswax as a binding agent for pigments, has captivated artists for millennia. Its name originates from the Greek word encaustikos, meaning to burn in, reflecting the essential role of heat in this medium. From the haunting Fayum mummy portraits of ancient Egypt to vibrant contemporary works, encaustic painting enchants with its luminosity and depth. Imagine painting with a medium that shimmers with an inner light, its surface a tapestry of rich colors and textures. Unlike traditional oil or acrylic paints, encaustic paints are kept molten, allowing for unique blending and layering techniques. The wax lends a luminous quality to the colors, creating depth and vibrancy. The fusion of wax, pigment and heat creates a captivating dance of texture, color and form. At its heart, encaustic painting is a simple recipe of beeswax, pigment and heat. Beeswax, a natural substance with a rich history, forms the foundation of this ancient technique. When heated, beeswax transforms into a molten state, allowing artists to blend pigments and apply them to various surfaces. The pigments used in encaustic painting come from natural minerals, earth oxides and synthetic compounds. Chemist heat is the catalyst that brings these elements together. By controlling the temperature of the wax, artists can manipulate its viscosity, creating effects from smooth washes to textured strokes. Painting with encaustic is a unique experience that engages all the senses. The gentle warmth of the heated palette, the aroma of beeswax, and the tactile nature of the medium create an immersive artistic process. Artisan media, encaustic paint pieces on heated palette. To begin, small pieces of encaustic paint are placed on a heated palette. Using brushes, palette knives, or other tools, artists transfer the molten wax to their chosen surface, spreading it in thin layers or building up textures. Artists use heat tools, such as heat guns or torches, to fuse the layers of wax, creating a seamless surface. The heat can also manipulate the wax, creating textures, patterns, and effects. The tools used in encaustic painting are as diverse as the medium itself. Tool-expert brushes with natural bristles such as hoghair are well suited for applying encaustic paint, as they hold the heat well and create smooth strokes. Palette knives in various shapes and sizes are used for spreading, scraping, and texturizing the wax. Electric heating palettes keep the wax at a consistent temperature for easy application. Heat guns and torches are used for fusing layers of wax and creating special effects. Pigments are the lifeblood of encaustic painting, infusing the wax with vibrant colors. Artists can choose from a wide range of pigments, each with its own unique characteristics.
Beeswax, with its honeyed aroma and natural translucence, remains the most common wax used in encaustic painting. However, artists also incorporate other waxes, such as microcrystalline wax or carnauba wax, to modify the working properties of the medium.
Heat plays a pivotal role in encaustic painting, not only for melting the wax, but also for fusing the layers and creating a durable surface. The temperature of the wax influences its viscosity, allowing artists to control the flow and texture of their brushstrokes. Encaustic painting can be applied to a variety of surfaces, each offering a unique texture and character to the finished artwork. Wood panels, with their natural grain and warmth, are a popular choice for encaustic painting. Canvas, primed with gesso or rabbitskin glue, provides a smooth and absorbent surface.
Before applying encaustic paint, it's essential to prepare the surface properly. Wood panels should be sealed to prevent the wax from soaking in and to create a smooth painting surface. Other surfaces, such as metal, glass, or even found objects, can also be used for encaustic painting.
One of the most exciting aspects of encaustic painting is its ability to embrace other media, creating a rich tapestry of textures, colors, and materials.
Artists often incorporate oil paints, inks, pastels, or even found objects into their encaustic works. Oil paints blend beautifully with encaustic paint, creating subtle glazes and layered effects. Inks, both water-based and alcohol-based, can be used to create washes, lines, and patterns. Found objects, such as fabrics, papers, or metal elements, can be embedded in the wax, adding a three-dimensional aspect to the artwork. The possibilities for mixed media in encaustic painting are limited only by the artist's imagination.
Stamping is a versatile technique that adds texture, pattern, and visual interest to encaustic paintings. Artists use a variety of materials to create stamps, including found objects, rubber stamps, or even their own handmade designs.
To create a stamp, artists press an object or design into a heat-resistant material, such as silicone putty or clay.
To apply encaustic paint with a stamp, artists heat the stamp and then press it into the molten wax. The heat transfers the wax from the stamp to the surface, creating a crisp, detailed impression.
Collage, the art of incorporating various materials into a single artwork, finds a natural home in the world of encaustic painting. The molten wax acts as an adhesive, allowing artists to embed a wide range of materials into their paintings.
Fabrics, with their textures, patterns, and historical significance, add a tactile and evocative element to encaustic collage. Papers, from delicate tissue paper to sturdy cardstock, introduce a range of colors, patterns, and translucencies. Found objects, such as buttons, beads, or metal findings, add a three-dimensional aspect to encaustic collage.
One of the captivating qualities of encaustic painting is its ability to create luminous, translucent layers of color. By applying thin layers of wax and fusing them with heat, artists achieve a depth and richness unique to this medium.
To create transparent layers, artists use a technique called glazing.
Each layer adds a subtle veil of color, allowing the layers beneath to shine through. Transparent layers can be used to create a sense of depth, to blend colors subtly, or to create luminous effects.
Encaustic painting has a rich and storied history, dating back to ancient civilizations. The technique is believed to have originated in ancient Greece, where it was used to decorate ships and create portraits. One of the most striking examples of ancient encaustic painting is the Fayum mummy portraits, a collection of lifelike portraits painted on wooden panels and attached to the mummies of deceased individuals in Roman Egypt. These portraits offer a glimpse into the lives and appearances of people who lived over 2,000 years ago.
The durability of encaustic paint, thanks to the protective qualities of beeswax, has allowed these ancient artworks to survive for centuries.
While encaustic painting experienced a decline in popularity after the fall of the Roman Empire, it never truly disappeared. Artists throughout history continued to explore the unique qualities of this medium.
During the Middle Ages, encaustic paint was sometimes used in icon painting, adding to the luminosity and spiritual aura of these religious artworks.
In the 18th century, encaustic painting experienced a revival as artists rediscovered the techniques of their ancient counterparts. The 20th and 21st centuries have witnessed a resurgence of interest in encaustic painting as contemporary artists embrace its versatility and expressive potential. From abstract expressionism to photorealistic imagery, encaustic painting continues to evolve, pushing the boundaries of artistic expression.
Throughout history, numerous artists have left their mark on the world of encaustic painting. From the anonymous masters of the Fayum mummy portraits to contemporary artists, each has brought their unique vision to this ancient art form.
Jasper Johns, a prominent American artist associated with pop art, incorporated encaustic painting into many of his works, using the medium to create textured surfaces and explore the interplay between image and materiality.
Contemporary artists such as Betsy Eby and Michael David continue to explore the expressive potential of this ancient medium. Their works demonstrate the ongoing relevance and versatility of encaustic painting in the 21st century.
Encaustic painting, an ancient technique that has captivated artists for millennia, continues to enchant with its unique blend of history, versatility, and expressive potential. The luminous quality of the wax, the ability to layer and embed materials, and the interplay of heat and texture make encaustic painting a medium of endless possibilities. From the haunting Fayum mummy portraits of ancient Egypt to vibrant contemporary works, encaustic painting transcends time, connecting us to the artistic legacy of the past while inspiring future generations. Whether embracing traditional techniques or pushing the boundaries of the medium, artists who work with encaustic paint are drawn to its ability to capture light, texture, and the essence of their creative vision. The allure of encaustic painting lies not only in its visual appeal, but also in the tactile and sensory experience it offers. As you delve into the world of encaustic painting, you'll discover a medium that is both ancient and modern, offering endless possibilities for creative expression.